Jewelry photography doesn't have to be complicated as we think it to be. With DoMyShoot, all you need is a simple setup for your jewelry to be photographed for images with a professional look. Just your smartphone with a tripod and a good light source can set you up for the perfect jewelry shots. When selling online, ensure you cover all the angles to get your jewelry to stand out. Besides standard angles like front, flat lay, and close-up shot. The more images your listings have, the easier it becomes to convert a browser to a buyer. The best part of using DoMyShoot is that you do not have to worry about making any photo edits on your own. Our AI plus human QC workflow ensures you get back ready to use professional-grade photos for e-commerce in no time. If you're wondering how you can create jewelry photos with lifestyle backgrounds, DoMyShoot has got you covered there too. With an extensive library of jewelry-centric backgrounds, all you do is pick the perfect lifestyle background for your product, and we ensure you get back a photorealistic image. Now all you need is your jewelry and a simple setup to create images that sell everywhere. Simplify your jewelry photography with DoMyShoot.